What do we got here? Look at that. Got an old lawnmower. At one time, I think somebody tried to fix it up, make it look cool. There's some other shit I've shot. Fucking yard blowed up, man. I mowed this down a little bit back here. Took about 5 minutes or so. There's my old trusty mower. But I got my GSGFirefly, got my Savage 22 rifle, and I got some Thunderbolts. Let's shoot this thing up and see what happens. I am gonna step back a little bit. Let's hit it with the pistol first, and hope nothing comes back and hits me in the face. Clear. Well, didn't even hit the block, the motor, but tore up that pretty good. Thought I saw something explode. I thought it was a light, but it's missing one on that side. Let's put this back up. None came out the other side. I wish I could find the bolts to that. I'm gonna step way back over there and see if I can hit through that and hit the block with the rifle. Clear. Stay. Alright. Let's see here. Whoa! So, let's see if I can hit that. Ooh! Oh, wow. Hit it there. There. Some pieces came out the back, but it didn't go through it. They just kind of skimmed off. They had 22s like that, something like that. Let's see what happens if I hit just the block. All right, so yeah, let's reload a few of these. Whoa, stay there. Yeah, I gotta learn to edit so I can cut this out, these parts. It is humid as hell right now. I'm sweating my ass off. Oh, come on. Down mosquito. Yep, that was a dead mosquito right there. I don't want no malaria. Whatever the hell it is they come up with this year. I'm sure they'll come up with something. Alright. Oh, I'm losing battery, so I gotta make this quick. Oh, come on, go away, bug. Shit. think it actually made a few holes. Look at that. That's new. I guess it's thinner there, so just kind of. Damn, these bugs are killing me. I had one buzzing in my ear. Let's I don't know if I have enough battery left, but maybe 3 or 4 shots with the pistol. Okay, let's try to do 5 real quick. Oh, get out of my earbud. Come on now. Get out of, I will kill you. Alright, just 5 more. Come on, battery, don't die on me. I'm going to be standing the same distance, so see if this thing's pretty good. Oh, go away, bug. Had a malfunction, but I did hit it, and mosquitoes are eating me alive, and normally they don't bother me at all, so what the hell, man. Alright, before my battery dies, peace out. I've never said subscribe before, but if you want to, I mean, my videos suck, but they'll get better.